In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a list in Apollo.io. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or aiming to declutter some outdated lists, this straightforward guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to get started by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you're comfortable with. Once your browser is ready to go, head over to the search bar and type in Apollo.io. Hit Enter to proceed to the website. Alternatively, if you have the Apollo.io URL handy, you can enter it directly. This method might save you an additional step and get you to your destination faster. When you arrive at the Apollo.io homepage, you'll notice a prompt to log in. Here, you have a couple of options. If you're logging in via email, simply enter your email address and password as you usually do. If your organization uses Single Sign-On, or SSO, you can select that option and follow your organization's specific authentication steps. This might include verifying through another app or entering a code. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Apollo.io houses its navigation options. You'll see various options, but for our purpose today, look for the one labeled Lists. Clicking on this will take you to a section where all your lists are stored and managed. Now that you've accessed your lists, the next task is to locate the specific list you intend to delete. This might require a bit of scrolling and searching if you have an extensive collection of lists. But once you find the list in question, direct your focus to the right-hand end of the list. Here, you should notice a small icon typically showing 3 dots or an ellipsis. It might be subtle, so take a moment to ensure you spot it. Clicking on this ellipsis icon will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find several options, but the one you want to select is Delete. Carefully click on it to initiate the deletion process. Depending on your setup, you might need to confirm that you indeed want to delete the list to prevent any accidental loss. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a list in Apollo.io. Keep in mind that once a list is deleted, it might be gone for good, so ensure this is indeed what you want to do before confirming the action. This process helps you maintain a clean and organized workspace, making it easier to focus on the lists that are actively useful to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more insightful tips and tricks.